tainted heart. Take these tainted hands.
The hearts are broken. The hearts are heavy. The nation is plunged in sorrow. The football world is mourning. A true legend is gone. Gone forever. The Football Legends Association has lost one of their own. Esau Kanyenda is gone forever. Board chair for the association, Jim Kalua, says he's lost a humble soul.
Yeah, it has been a very tough day after I was informed by family members to convey that is the sickness of Esau. I think in the morning today, that's when they are confirming that no, things have not worked. He has passed on. So we are very devastated as football legends. We have lost, that is one of the greatest legends, a humble soul. And the person who was coordinating our activities in UK, Esau was able, that is, even to assist some of the members who were struggling, that is, in paying membership, and also assisting them, that is, in their daily lives. Yeah, it's so humble. I'm just lots of ways as Football Legends Association board chair. All what I can say is may the good Lord receive him. We'll miss him.
Rest well, the legend Esau Kanyenda. You left a beautiful story that will never be deleted by anybody else. The dedication, the energy, you gave your life to the nation. You put your life on the line. You carried the flag of Malawi proudly across Europe, South Africa. The Black Mamba is gone. But we are comforted by two reasons. You left behind a beautiful story, and that we shall always meet again in the promised land where the Father of souls lives.
I will only sing your praise.